Hey, how are you doing today? This is Kareem from GrowCheap, www.grow.cheap. And in this video, actually, we're going to answer the question, what is HostGator and how to use it and why do you need it actually to set up a website on the internet? So basically, HostGator, from the name, actually, it's a hosting company. It's a hosting company that offers you a web hosting space on the internet to host your website and files and email addresses at your domain.com. So again, let's say you're a company or you're establishing a company or an office or you're a freelancer or an agency or anything like this, and you want to set up a space for you on the internet. So you need a website, and this website has files, have databases, and everything that the data of the website will be built on, like the files and database and all other resources the website is going to use. So you need to host these files in the database and email addresses and all these assets on a server on the internet. And actually, this is how HostGator is offering the service. It's offering you a space on the internet where you can host your files and email addresses and operate your website.com. So you basically can say, visit my website, www.mycompany.com. That's as simple as this. So we are on the official website of HostGator, hostgator.com. And if you use actually the link in the description below, this is an affiliate link, by the way. You don't have to use it, but if you use it, it will give you an extra discount and it will give me a commission back, but you don't have to, as I say. So yeah, hostgator.com, the website, the homepage is showing you the different services HostGator is offering, actually, like the shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS, and dedicated servers. So let's compare real quick between the four types of hosting offered by HostGator and which one you can use as a beginning or as a start. So the shared hosting is the most basic form of a hosting account. This is a basic hosting service with the basic resources and everything that is very sufficient to set up a website, whether it's an e-commerce or a corporate website, doesn't matter, but it's very sufficient for your website as well as the email addresses you're going to use at your website.com. Then as you upscale your website or have more traffic on your website or receives much visitors, thousands of visitors every month on your website, then you may need to upgrade to a specific WordPress hosting if your website is based on WordPress, because this actually gives you additional server resources. But since you are just getting started, the shared hosting is very sufficient and affordable, as I say. The VPS hosting is a part of the server, so you're not just getting an account on the server. You're getting a part of the server, which is a virtualized private server, and it gives you additional resources like RAM and CPU and all these kind of resources you need to run a scalable website solution. And the dedicated hosting is actually a server. It's a dedicated server for your website or for your assets, and this needs management and stuff to run the server and all these kind of stuff. But these are the four forms of web hosting that are offered by HostGator, and the shared hosting is the most affordable and easy option, and it doesn't need much experience to create the website, to create the email addresses. And my suggestion is always start with the basic and upgrade as needed. But since you're just getting started, the shared hosting is very sufficient. In another video, we're going to compare the different shared hosting plans. So make sure to subscribe to receive the latest updates. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope this is helpful. Just let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I'm going to answer you and get in touch with you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.